Let's do the unboxing of the new MastLabs wireless battery Airbot. So first of all, is the plastic section and the instruction page include multi-languages explanation. And inside the box, there is black sponge protection and also the battery. Please peel this off. And here is the Type-C charging port and the RCA charging port. Just long press the middle button to turn it on. After turning on, just click the middle button once and it will start. And also just click for once, you can pause it. And if you want to turn it off, you can long press the middle button. And here is the cable, which is included in the packages.